Please try this question. X is 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 divided by 1 plus 2x plus x square. Okay, Steve, Chanchal. Question is 3x minus 5. Okay, good, Angela. Then Steve, 3x minus 5, correct. Remainder is 9x plus 10. Not 0 to Chanchal, 10. It should be 10. 3x minus 5, 9x plus 10, correct. Remainder 9x plus 10. Question 3x minus 5, correct, Chanchal. Question 3x minus 5, remainder 9x plus 10, correct. Everyone having the right answer. Okay, Sarah will explain this question. And those who have solved all have the right answer. Good. So now we'll see how we can solve this particular question. Say, simply just we put this is higher polynomial. We can say degree is 3, degrees, maximum degree is 2. So we can say in question also it is given to divide this by this polynomial. So 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 we write as it is, and here we write in decreasing order. First we write x square, then 2x, then 1, decreasing order, x square, then 2x, then 1. Now we'll focus on 3x cube, and here is x square. We'll take 3, and what is the value? Remaining x, because x square is multiplied by x, we get the value, correct, x. 3x is the value. So Tushar, answer is 3x minus 5, which question is 3x minus 5. You can check 1 second, or you can verify from here. See, because x square and we have 3x cube, we'll focus on first value, here first value. So 3x, because 3x into x square, 3x cube, and here we have plus, and we'll multiply with 2x, so 2x also, then 3 2 is 6, x square, and we'll multiply with 3x also, 3x into 1, 3x. And now we can take signs. Nothing is there, then plus. We are doing subtraction to minus, minus, minus. Cancel. This will be minus 5 x square minus x. Minus 5 x square minus x. Because 2x minus 3x minus x. X square minus 6x square minus 5. This 5 will come down plus 5 as it is. Now we'll focus on first value minus 5x square, here x square. What will multiply with x square? Minus 5 first, minus 5, and then nothing else, minus 5 only, because minus 5 into x square is minus 5x square, minus 5 into x square is minus 5x square, correct. But we have to multiply with minus 5 with remaining this also, 2x and 1. So minus 5 into 2x will be minus 10x, and minus 5 plus 1 is minus 5. Now we'll do subtraction, so sign will change, plus, again plus, again plus. So these are same to cancel, these are same cancel, and this will be 10x minus x will be 9x. No, sorry, this will not be
Sir,
cancelled.
the 5 would not cancel.
Correct, correct. So this 10x minus x 9x, correct, plus 5 plus 5 10. Right, correct. So here we can see, hence we write in dot. So hence quotient will be equal to same 3x minus 5. Actually, this is polynomial only, polynomial in degree 1, and then remainder will be basically 9x plus 10. So 9x plus 10 is also, you can say, linear polynomial of degree 1. Divisor is same, x square plus 2x plus 1, correct. Now we can write this equation as, 2x means polynomial in terms of x. That means this value, this is 2x, we think will be 2x, and this will be 2x because this is polynomial only. So px will we can write as, and this we can take as this one gx, polynomial in terms of x, that means gx one more polynomial, and this we can take as rx for remainder. So px we can write as this one divisor into quotient, that means gx into qx plus rx. This will be not rs, rx, because polynomial in terms of x, that means rx. So this is actually one standard, we can say, method of writing, because now we are having polynomials, not constant values. So this will be px x 3x cube minus x plus x square minus plus 2x, and then again plus 5. This is actually px, and here we have gx x square plus 2x plus 1, here qx 3x minus 5, and remainder will be rx. So px is basically, px will be equal to gx into qx plus rx, gx into qx plus rx, correct, x square plus 2x plus 1 into 3x minus 5 plus 9x plus 10 will be the value. So here we can see one more thing, that rx is the polynomial representing remainder value. So rx will always be 0. It can be 0 or less than equal to gx. This is why gx is basically having degree 2. So rx will be either 0 or a polynomial having degree less than gx always. So this is the one rule, and this representation is known as division algorithm of polynomials. Division algorithm of polynomials. This way of representing, because all the divisor, quotient, remainder, dividend, all are in polynomials. Division algorithm for polynomials. Why? Because all things basically, dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder, all are in polynomials. That's why px is equal to gx into qx. Px is the given polynomial in degree 3. We have gx will be this divisor, px was dividend, then qx will be the quotient, and rx will be the remainder value. So remainder is also polynomial, quotient also, then divisor and dividend, all are in polynomial. So we can write px as mean dividend equal to divisor, means gx into qx plus remainder. This is representation is called as division algorithm of polynomials, and in the given condition required is rx. Condition required in this case is rx should be rx degree, means rx is polynomial, so rx degree is here 1. So this is basically linear polynomial. So rx degree will be is 1 here, and rx degree will be less than or equal, less than only, less than this gx. Rx can be 0 equal to 0, or if it is a polynomial, then its degree should always be less than this gx, less than gx. That is one case. So rx can be 0 or rx degree, you can say rx degree, d4 degree, let me write d4 degree, this should be less than degree of gx, that understanding we have to make. So this is basically representation px equal to gx into qx plus rx is division algorithm of polynomials, and here important condition is rx value can be 0 if it is complete division. Hopefully this divisor will divide dividend, then remainder will be 0, or if it is a polynomial, then its degree should be less than gx, means degree of we can say divisor. So we can add degree also here, no problem. Degree of rx will be less than degree of gx, correct. So understood this question? Any doubt? Anyone have any doubt? This repeating, because all the say dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder, all are having some, all are in polynomials basically, not constant terms. So representing this px equal to gx into qx plus rx will be, you can say, standard form of division algorithm polynomials, in which rx can be equal to 0,
Sir,
or yes, degree of rx will be less than gx. Yes, Sarah. Any doubt?
Sir, at last you wrote no degree that line. It is
Right.
less than degree g of x, right?
Right, right. Degree of Rx, this is this degree, this Rx is degree is 1. So because
Okay,
degree
sir.
is maximum power of x. So degree of Rx is here it is 1 is less than degree of Gx degree is 2. That we say normally this condition every time you get, but this is one small, you can say condition. The degree of Rx that is here 1 should be less than degree of J that is here 2. Condition satisfied. So condition satisfied, then we can say this equation representing is called as division algorithm for polynomials. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Now I'll see one more question based on this concept. So in this, now all the values, values of divisor, dividend is polynomial only. Divisor is also polynomial, but quotient and remainder also we get as in polynomials only. Next question: divide 3x square minus 6 square minus x cube minus 3x minus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square and verify the division algorithm. Say divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x minus 5. 3x square minus x is x cube minus 3x minus plus 5. Here we have plus 5, sorry, plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square. Then we verify the division algorithm. To verify means we have to write in the this equation, this form, and we have to check Rx degree is 0 or it should be less than equal to Gx. That is satisfied, then you can say this equation representing will be called as division algorithm of polynomials. This equation is verified.
Okay, sir.
So divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square. Everyone will try, and time is 5 minutes for this question. Then we'll see next one. Quotient x plus 2 remainder minus 7. Okay. Minus 7. This 3x is not able to get it. Pratusha and Pratibha, no, actually, once again, you can try this question. Carefully notice the question. See, first term is 3x square, then minus x cube, then minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square. X is 3. See, Tushar, remainder will be 3. But what is quotient value? What is quotient value? Chanchal, your answer is correct. Means quotient is correct. Remainder is also right. Perfect. So Chanchal only got the right answer. So others will also try. Last 1 minute time. So good, Chanchal, you got the answer. Actually, question very easy. Just we have to arrange in proper sequence, we can say. What is the sequence? Always in descending order, or we can say decreasing power of x, decreasing power of x, decreasing power of x. Always for this px also, and then gx also. This we can say is main polynomial, or we can say higher polynomial, or we can say this is px polynomial in terms of x, and degree is here. Degree is not 2. Degree will be 3, maximum power of x, and this is basically gx value, this is divisor, this is dividend, and degree will be 2, not 1. So we have to arrange in proper this in order, and then we can divide to get the answer. So let me show you. So see, first we write x cube. Always write in decreasing power of x. X cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. And here also this was 2x, and for gx also we write gx means divisor. We write in decreasing power of x, x square, or descending power of x. X square plus x minus 1. X square minus x square plus x minus 1. So here we have value minus minus is there, so we'll focus on minus x cube and minus x square. We'll multiply with plus x only, because already we have minus x square. So plus x into minus x square will give minus x cube, and x into x square, and then this will be subtraction is there. X into x square, minus then plus then minus, cancel, because both the terms are equal opposite. So now we have 2x square minus 3x plus 5. So this will be, now 2x square will focus on, and here we have minus x. So what is the value? First we'll put 2, and then only 2, because minus 2 basically, because minus 2 into minus 1 will be 2, x square into 1 basically. So x square will be x square, minus x square into minus 2 will give 2x square, and for remaining values also will multiply. One more this thing here. 1 second. This will be 3x will multiply all the 3 terms. So x is multiplied with minus x square, then minus x cube plus x square minus x, x into minus 1 minus x. Here will be plus. So this value will be minus 3x plus x. Minus 3x plus x will be minus 2x. And now we have taken minus 2. So minus 2 into minus x square plus 2x square. X into minus 2 will be minus 2x and plus 2. X into minus 2 minus 2x plus 2. This will be plus minus plus minus. Cancel. A remaining will be 3. Hence we can write qx. Qx will be equal to, qx means polynomial in terms of x, that is x minus 2 in bracket, and this rx remainder value is only 3. No problem. This we can write as, we can say monomial, only one term, and degree here, degree of x will be 0 because nothing is there, that means 1, and 1 we can write as x to the power 0, so degree is 0, and we know this gx will be equal to, gx is basically x square plus x minus 1. Gx is this will be gx, not qx. Gx, this is divisor, gx means divisor. So divisor will be x is minus x square plus x minus 1. Correct. Now we'll check means x square plus x minus 1 will multiply with x minus 2 and we'll add 3. And if you are getting px value, then means it is verified and division algorithm is verified. Divisor into quotient plus remainder we have to check now after getting these values. So we'll minus x square x plus x minus 1 will multiply with x. So this will be minus x square into x minus x cube. Then minus x square will multiply with minus 2, 2x square, x into x square, x into minus 2 minus 2x. So minus 1 into x minus x and minus 1 into minus 2 plus 3. So this should be equal to px. This should be equal to px. So you can now solve x is minus x cube first value. Now 2x square plus x square. So this will be 3x square and minus 2x and minus x minus 3x plus 3 to 5 equal to px. Now value is matching. Value is matching because 3x square minus x cube minus x plus 5 was the px value, and divisor is x minus 1 minus x square and quotient is x minus 2. The remainder is 3. We get these values and hence we can say divisor into quotient. Hence we can say dividend. We can write dividend equal to divisor into quotient. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This formula is applicable and is true. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Hence we can say this is also, we can say it's correct. Then we can say division algorithm is verified. Hence division algorithm is process of division. Division algorithm we can say process of division. So division algorithm is verified. Division algorithm is verified. Division algorithm is verified. Correct. We get the values because 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square gx. Then verify the division algorithm. First we have to arrange. Main thing is we have to arrange these values, this one, in decreasing power of x. So minus x will first come, then 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Here also for divisor also, for division also will arrange in decreasing power of x. For divisor also will arrange in decreasing power of x. So minus x square will come first, then x minus 1. So we'll focus on minus x cube. So first we'll take minus x square. So minus x cube, and then we have minus x square. We'll take plus x because x into minus x square minus x cube. And for remaining values also, for x and minus 1 also will multiply. So x into x square minus 1 into x minus x. And then this will be cancelled because these are same, equal and opposite. And 3x square minus 2x square plus 2x square minus 3x plus x minus 2x. 5 will come down as it is plus 5. Now we'll focus on 2x square. Here the minus x square. We'll take minus 2. It's only minus 2 because minus 2 into minus x square will give 2x square in positive. And minus 2 will multiply with x also, and then minus 1. Minus 2x plus 2 cancel. 2x minus 2x cancel, and then 5 minus 2, 3. 3 is the remainder. X square minus x square plus x minus 1 will be the divisor. Then x minus 2 will be the, we can say, quotient. And we can check divisor into quotient plus remainder. We are getting px value. That means correct. Formula is applicable. That means verified. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That means we can write division algorithm is verified. Right. Please note the solution and then we can end this session because session is over. If anyone has any doubt, then please ask. Others can end this session.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Steve. So division equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder is verified. Then division algorithm is verified. Just we have to write one final statement. Right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Good night,
Bye.
sir.
Good night. Okay, Sarah, for you, I will explain once again. So what is the basic method here? For normal division will do, and we are getting these values. We are getting these values as the, we can say we are getting these values, this x minus 2 as the quotient, 3 as the remainder, and this was the divisor. So basically verifying division algorithm basically is verifying this rule which we have studied in our junior classes. That is dividend should be equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Same thing we have done here. So this was x square minus x square plus x minus 1 was the divisor, x minus 2 is the quotient, and 3 was the remainder. And we'll multiply x minus x square plus x minus 1 with x minus 2 and then add. And we will solve this equation and finally we get this value. This was nothing but equal to dividend, that means px. This was nothing but the equal to dividend, that is px. That means our formula is valid, that means dividend was px or dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That means this basic formula is correct, applicable, true. That we can say division algorithm is verified. We can write one small statement, that is division, concluding statement, division algorithm is verified. Say division algorithm is, process of division is perfect. Means formula or basic formula is applicable here. That is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. If it's true, then we can write, and it will be true only. Then we just have to
Sir.
verify, just have to check. Yes,
So this means we have to verify it, dividend is equal to divisor into coefficient plus remainder. That's it, no?
correct. And normally in all the cases we'll get, because we have done proper division. So not automatically we'll get, and just we have to verify. Means we have to check. Okay, we have to show. That's it. And then in last concluding line will be division algorithm is verified. That's it.